Hey there, I am so glad you're here, and I really mean it, because that means that you're probably going to stick around for some inspiration on how to create and decorate a home that you love while staying on a budget. That is my goal here for you. I hope that you find everything that you're looking for. I share some shopping trips, some DIYs, some shopping hauls, thrift flips, and so much more here on my channel. I am so glad that you are here. If there's anything you'd like to see that you do not see already on my channel, just drop a little comment below. Circle back around to this video and let me know what you want to see, because we're going to build this community together. Each week I release 2 to 3 new videos, so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. But if you want super exclusive notifications, be sure to join the text list that I will link in the description below. This is an exclusive list where you are going to get a personal text from me every time a new hot DIY is been published on the channel. So I'll link that below for you as well in the description. So each season I host an online event called a craftathon. You may be asking yourself, Melanie, what the heck is a craftathon? Well, it is an online event where tons of creative experts come on and share crafty ideas with us so that we can all learn and decorate how to decorate on a budget with fresh new ideas. So I will link that below too, so that you can see the next one that's coming up and not miss out on a single thing. Now listen, if I haven't said it enough, you will probably hear it a ton here on my channel. I am so honored and blessed that you are choosing to spend your time here with me and be a part of the Southern Crush at Home community. Listen, welcome, and welcome to Southern Crush at Home.